iPhone XS Max display broken. Let's replace the display. Remove bottom to screws. Use a pry tool to remove. Remove the guard screw and connectors. Careful while removing Face ID flex. Remove Face ID and ear speaker. Brand new display. Now assemble the speaker and Face ID. Let's check new display. Fix all guards and screws back. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon. It's almost done. All works. Thank you for watching our video.